a wood-cutting machine that shapes large pieces of wood into perfect circles. This machine efficiently cuts through wheat, making the harvesting process faster and easier. Tough on the outside, no problem. This powerful machine cuts and peels coconuts in seconds. This machine is built to neatly pack blankets, ensuring efficient storage and transport. This powerful machine is specially built to crush large stones into smaller, manageable pieces with ease. This machine efficiently ties packets and boxes with strong plastic strapping for secure packaging. This machine is used to straighten and perfectly level freshly cemented surfaces, ensuring a smooth finish. This machine automatically shapes dough into perfect round balls, one by one, ready for baking fresh bread. This machine is designed to lift and load heavy goods onto trucks, making transportation fast and efficient. This machine spins raw fibers into fine thread, ready for use in textiles and garments. This meat grinder finely minces meat, turning chunks into perfectly ground keema in seconds. This machine decorates bowls and plates with colorful designs, floral patterns, and custom text, adding beauty to every piece. This machine is built to lift and move heavy logs and wooden materials with ease and strength. This machine is used to join and securely fix railway tracks, ensuring smooth and safe train operations. This heavy-duty truck is designed to transport large loads of stones from one site to another. This machine neatly presses and sets clothes, giving them a crisp, professional finish with minimal effort. This advanced machine paints cars with smooth, even coats, ensuring a flawless and factory finish look. This robotic cleaning machine enters pipes and uses high-pressure water to remove dirt, blockages, and buildup from the inside. This irrigation machine delivers water to crops using a dual-pipe system, ensuring even and efficient watering across the field. This machine is used during heavy traffic to rearrange roadblocks, adjusting the road's width by expanding or narrowing lanes as needed. This machine is designed to manufacture durable water tanks, shaping them with precision and consistency. These advanced car washing machines clean vehicles efficiently using water jets, rotating brushes, and foam systems, all with minimal human effort. This machine inserts and secures synthetic hair onto dolls and toy figures with precision and consistency.